This is Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. In this video, we'll demystify the dashboard lights that illuminate your vehicle's instrument panel, ensuring you understand their meanings and the actions you need to take when they appear. From warning lights indicating potential issues to informational lights providing status updates, we'll cover a wide range of indicators commonly found on modern vehicles. Get ready to decode your car's dashboard lights and drive with confidence knowing you're equipped to respond appropriately to any situation. 25 car dashboard lights decoded. Know what they mean. Car dashboard lights are like a vehicle's own language, silently communicating crucial information about its health and performance. Understanding these dashboard symbols is not just a convenience but a vital aspect of vehicle maintenance and safety. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into the meanings of 25 main car dashboard lights, empowering you to decode and address issues promptly. From the familiar engine light to the less common indicators, we will unravel the mystery behind these important signals. So, buckle up as we embark on this essential journey of decoding your car's dashboard lights. Understanding car dashboard lights. Dashboard lights serve as crucial warning indicators for various car systems, alerting drivers to potential issues that require attention. Understanding these lights is vital for ensuring the safety and optimal performance of your vehicle. Let's delve into the meanings of some commonly encountered dashboard lights. Check engine light. The check engine light, often shaped like an engine, illuminates when the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system detects a problem within the engine or emission control system. Common causes for this light to activate include faulty oxygen sensors, loose gas caps, or issues with spark plugs. Ignoring this light can lead to more severe damage and decreased fuel efficiency. Promptly addressing the underlying issue by seeking professional diagnosis and repairs is crucial to preventing further complications. Oil pressure light. The oil pressure light, resembling an oil can, warns drivers of low oil pressure in the engine. Low oil pressure can result from insufficient oil levels, a failing oil pump, or oil leaks. When this light comes on, it signifies a potential risk of engine damage due to inadequate lubrication. Immediate action, such as checking oil levels and quality, and topping up oil if necessary, can help prevent engine wear and damage. Battery warning light. The battery warning light, typically in the shape of a battery, indicates potential issues with the vehicle's charging system. Reasons for activation include a malfunctioning alternator, loose connections, or an aging battery. Ignoring this light may lead to stalling, electrical issues, or battery failure, leaving you stranded. Timely inspection by a mechanic is essential to prevent unexpected breakdowns and ensure the proper functioning of your vehicle's electrical system. Brake system light. The brake system light, depicting a circle with exclamation marks, alerts drivers to problems within the braking system. This light may indicate issues such as low brake fluid levels, worn brake pads, or brake system malfunctions. Ignoring brake-related warnings can compromise your ability to stop safely and lead to dangerous driving conditions. Immediate inspection by a qualified technician is necessary to address any brake system issues and maintain optimal braking performance. Interpreting dashboard symbols. Understanding the various dashboard symbols in your car is crucial for safe and efficient driving. Each symbol conveys essential information about your vehicle's status, alerting you to potential issues or necessary actions. Let's delve into the meanings and implications of some common dashboard symbols you may encounter. ABS warning light. The ABS warning light indicates an issue with the anti-lock braking system. When this light illuminates, it signals a problem with your vehicle's braking system, affecting its ability to control skidding during emergency stops. Immediate attention is required to ensure safe driving conditions. Tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, light. The TPMS light monitors tire pressure levels, alerting you to any significant deviations from the recommended inflation. Proper tire pressure is vital for optimal vehicle performance and fuel efficiency. Regularly checking and maintaining tire pressure can prevent uneven wear and improve overall safety on the road. Coolant temperature warning light. The coolant temperature warning light warns of potential engine overheating, which could lead to severe damage if ignored. It is essential to pull over, allow the engine to cool down, and check coolant levels to prevent overheating-related issues. Airbag warning light. The airbag warning light indicates a malfunction in the airbag system, compromising passenger safety in the event of a collision. Professional inspection and repair are necessary to ensure the airbags deploy correctly when needed, minimizing injury risks. Power steering warning light. The power steering warning light signifies a problem with the power steering system, making steering more challenging and compromising vehicle control. Addressing this issue promptly is crucial to avoid potential steering failures while driving. Engine temperature warning light. The engine temperature warning light alerts you to engine overheating, which can cause significant damage if not addressed promptly. Pull over, turn off the engine, and wait for it to cool down before checking coolant levels and inspecting for potential issues. Fuel warning light. The fuel warning light signals low fuel levels in the tank, prompting the need for immediate refueling. Running out of fuel can lead to engine stalling and potentially unsafe conditions on the road. Regularly monitoring fuel levels and refilling promptly is essential for uninterrupted driving. Airbag readiness light. The airbag readiness light indicates the status of the airbag system, ensuring it is functional and ready to deploy in case of an accident. Any issues with this light should be inspected by a professional to guarantee proper airbag functionality when needed. Security indicator light. The security indicator light notifies you of the vehicle's security system status, indicating potential security threats or breaches. Taking appropriate actions to secure your vehicle and resolve any security issues promptly is essential for theft prevention and overall safety. Fog light indicator. The fog light indicator alerts you to the activation of fog lights, designed to improve visibility in adverse weather conditions. Using fog lights correctly and in the appropriate weather conditions enhances safety and reduces the risk of accidents in low visibility situations. Understanding the vital role of car dashboard lights is key to ensuring the well-being of your vehicle and your safety on the road. By deciphering the meaning behind these dashboard symbols, you equip yourself with the knowledge needed to address potential issues promptly and keep your vehicle in optimal condition. Proactively monitoring your car's dashboard lights allows you to stay ahead of any potential problems that may arise, preventing them from escalating into more severe issues. Just as we pay attention to our body's warning signs, being attentive to your car's dashboard lights can help you detect and resolve mechanical issues before they become major concerns. Remember, your car's dashboard lights are its way of communicating with you, alerting you to everything from low tire pressure to engine troubles. By staying informed and taking action when necessary, you can maintain your vehicle's health and drive with confidence. So, next time a dashboard light flickers on, don't ignore it. Instead, see it as an opportunity to keep your car running smoothly and safely on the road. As we conclude our guide to decoding car dashboard lights, we hope you found this information valuable in understanding the various indicators that may appear on your vehicle's instrument panel. Remember, staying informed about your vehicle's warning signs can help you address issues promptly and maintain safe driving conditions. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Until next time, drive safely and stay informed. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.